Right, to connect your Xbox controller to your laptop, to your VRC, what you need to do is you need a mini USB to USB cable, and it just plugs straight in the top of the Xbox controller there. And you plug it straight into the side of your laptop, and then it should come up with a little box at the bottom corner telling you that the device is ready to use. And once that's all done, you need to open your option menu and go across to control options, and select from the drop down box controller Xbox One for Windows, because it will be originally set to keyboard. And then what you need to do is, because the settings on VRC are preset so that your throttle is forwards on the stick and your brake is back, and on the same stick it's steering left and steering right, which is extremely difficult to use. So you need to tell VRC what buttons or what stick you want to use for what control. So by doing that, you need to go down to this customized button here and open this window. And the way you do it is hold the cursor over the top of the box next to the input that you wish to change, and then simultaneously, as mine is over the steering left box, you need to, on the controller, move the stick over as far left as possible and click that box at the same time, and it will input RX axis minus, which will give you a left movement, and then do the same for right. So hold the cursor over the top of the box, move the stick to the right and click the box, and it'll input RX axis plus, which will give you steering on your right hand stick. The accelerate and reverse should be y-axis anyway, so that shouldn't need changing. I've also changed some other things. I've got the zoom on the trigger buttons on the back of the controller, so ordinarily your aim and shoot buttons, if you like playing first person shooters, are my zoom in and zoom out. And then another good one to put on is your marshal button. So I've got the left bumper, so that bumper button up there, I've got that as my marshal button. So if you bin it and stick it on its roof, you can call a marshal without having to lean over and hit the space bar. And then what you do after that, you've got to make sure you OK it and OK that menu as well. And then, in theory, I can set the camera up. We go to practice. Practice now. We should. Be driving. Look at that. Brilliant. Easy as that. Fun.